Hi everyone, this is Zahra. We are in Moodle MOOC 13 and as you see the course has recently started. We are in week 1 and I want to see if there is anything I should change in my profile. I have already created my profile since I have already taken some courses in Electronic Village Online, but at the beginning of this course I want to see if there is anything that needs to be edited. Here I can go to my profile as this user, edit it, change my password, check messages, go to blogs and badges, and also I can check messages here, check my private files, go to forum posts, discussions, check my grades here, and use this part for logging in and out. At the beginning, I want to see if there is anything I should change in my profile. Okay, this is my profile. I'm not going to make any change in these descriptions and characteristics. I could make some changes here, add or delete something. I may want to change my profile photo, and also there are some additional names I could change here. And about the time zone, I need to change the time zone into Asia, Iran, Asia, Tehran. Okay, in this case, the notifications for live sessions will come to me based on my time zone, local time zone here, Asia, Tehran. I update my profile. I'm not gonna make any other changes, and then I would like to go to this part, preferences. Here under this item, preferences, we've got different choices. We can go to edit profile. As I was there, I could go from this link. And preferred language, I'm not going to change the language since this course is provided in English, but in case I need it, there are a variety of languages here. Okay, I'm not gonna make any change. I can go to forum preferences, editor preferences, course preferences, calendar, security keys, message preferences, notifications, and linked logins. For instance, let's see what we can see below forum preferences. Here for forums, we can make some different adjustments, whether or not to digest, no digest, single email per forum post, complete daily email with full posts, subjects, daily email with subjects only. Okay, I choose the no digest, single email. I can receive single emails per forum posts as notifications, and for more information I can read this part. For auto subscribe, I leave it as the default, but it is now, yes, when I post, subscribe me to that forum discussion. I can choose not to be subscribed, and also the other options. Here we can go to different options, security keys, linked logins. Let's see what we can find in linked logins. Here I've got Google and LinkedIn. I have already logged in through these two. I can make changes, edit them, delete, add or delete them, and link a new account on Google, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and Microsoft. For instance, I've already got Google and LinkedIn. Let's see if I can go to Facebook. Okay, my Facebook, I'm logged in, my Facebook. So I can here continue as Zahra. Okay. Let me go back to see if some changes. Oh yes, as you see here, Facebook is added here based on different email address I am using for my Facebook. I can also add my Microsoft account as well. And I can delete each one when I want. Here we've got different options and features in repositories, managing instances. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. Create a repository instance, create Poodle instance, file system instance, Flickr, and ensemble video repository instance. Okay, we can come back to it later. Here we may take a look at the different blogs options, blog preferences, and also we can register to external blogs, and yes, here, and go to external blogs. And we can also manage our badges, the weekly badges we receive to show our progress can be checked here. I can manage my badges to stay here. I can add it to backpack. First of all, I should have registered before that in a backpack, and now I can send this and save these. Yes, here is my backpack. I can save the badges into this backpack. Okay, I have already saved them, and also I can choose this one to download it, to save it on my desktop computer, and make it private or visible. Here we've got miscellaneous options, event monitoring, open batch settings. Here I've got backpack settings, but here opening batch settings and batch hidings. By event monitoring, let's see what I can find here to monitor some events. Yes, one online users in last 5 minutes. Select a course. There are no event monitoring rules. I can select one of these courses. And also portfolios. We can configure portfolios and transfer logos. As you see, there are a lot to be found here in preferences, and we can make different changes in order to use this platform, the Moodle platform, with all its features. Thank you so much for your attention.